For logistics and maintenance, okay, so let's decouple some stuff here too, right? Because operationally comes into three parts. You got operational guys, the AVO, the payload operator, the pet stuff, okay, which is more driven by doctrine than tech. Then you got logistics and maintenance. Logistics and maintenance, you're talking about things that you're heading toward like a 172, 152 cost per flight hour on this thing, maybe lower. Then on the other side here, you know, it's driven by doctrine. Do you need two guys in there, or do you need, like, if I got 5 of these things, 10 of these things out over the Western Pacific, do I really need 10 guys, one on every aircraft, when most of the time they're just watching the paint dry? No. If you had 3 guys managing 10, that's well within, you're not going to have something go wrong on more than 2 of them at any one time, right? So then you got one-on-one. We worked on stuff when I was back at North with my team and stuff where, like, depending on if you're an aircraft and you're flying back and forth, from a carrier to someplace, you're watching the paint dry. When you get in the stack over a carrier, it's one-on-one, right? You got to do that, okay? Same thing with the Air Force. If you're transiting from, launch to, the area of interest, you're watching the paint dry. Once you get in the area of interest and you're chasing bad guys, you're doing other stuff, it varies from maybe 2 or 3 aircraft per guy down to 1 aircraft per guy. It just depends on what the operator's doing at that point in time. The doctrine needs to change